Hey everybody, it's Rob Nazarian with Talk Android, and we're looking at XnRetro. This is a very simple app for creating some effects for your pictures, specifically for retro type looks, nothing more than that. So if you like that kind of look, the vintage retro look, this is definitely for you, and it keeps things simple, very quick and easy to do. Upon going into the app, you have your option for taking a brand new photo or just going into the photo album, which is what you're going to probably do the majority of the time. Now in this particular device I only have one picture gallery, so there you have it. And this is my sample picture I'm working with. Now when you go in, you'll see right away there are different sizes for cropping, or different shapes, shall we say, from square to rectangular. And let's say square is generally, a lot of older photos were square, and you can also resize it, or you can also use the original image the way it is by just hitting the arrow key. But let's just say you're happy with what you have. You can hit check right here. And then this is pretty much the guts of it. It's very simple. We'll start from the left. Here you can adjust the brightness, contrast, levels, and we'll just leave that pretty much where it is in the middle. And over here is where you'll add the effects, the retro effects. There are 20 in all, so you can just quickly go through them. Obviously this is none right here, and there's retro 1, retro 2, and so on. You can go through them, just skip ahead. You can go through whichever ones that interest you and the type of look that that you're looking for. Now I'm going to go with retro 2 right now. Go over here, and this is the vignetting option for adding as much or little as you want. The higher you put it, the more fading there is on the edges. So as you can see, I put it down low and I put it down high, and I have more fading on the edges. Over here is some more effects that you can add, which I don't really get too involved with, but like there's what's called different leaks here, and glass. This adds a little bit more to your image if you want it. Again, it's up to you. For now, in this particular situation, I'm going to leave it on none. And then over here is where you have picture frames. So you can add any kind of picture frame. There's 26 of them, I believe, different colors. They have the Polaroid type of look as well, from instant cameras from the old days. So you can see there's a variety of different things here. And let's just say I want to go with the Polaroid look. Very simple. It's all set and you're ready to go. All you need to do then, you can save the image to your device. There are 3 sizes. Now the largest is going to bring it down to about 2 megapixels. A little smaller than I like, but it still works for sharing on Facebook and Twitter, wherever you want to share it, and email and stuff. So you can go ahead and hit, I'll go ahead and hit large, and it will save the image. Now also, if you want, you can share it, and then you can go right to email, or you can go into your shared, all your shared things like text messaging, email, Google Plus, whatever. On this device I don't have. Facebook would be on there, Twitter, whatever. So and that's pretty much it. So it's called XnRetro, and it's free in the Play Store, so definitely give it a shot. It's simple to use. Let's just go in there, let's just go into the gallery and see if it did save it. And there it is. I got 2 of them because when I went to hit share, I think it saves it again automatically, even though I didn't actually share it yet. So it actually does save it at the same time as when you share it. But I can go in there and just go ahead and delete it. Oops. So anyway, it's XnRetro. Give it a shot, and works very well for your simple effects that you want to add to your photos, and go from there. Thanks for watching. This is Rob Nazarian with Talk Android.